How to add debit card to a Google Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add your debit card to your Google Wallet account. So the first thing to do is to open your Google Wallet account just like I have done here. And after that, by the top, by the lower right corner of the screen, you'll see add to wallet. Yes, add to wallet. Yours might be a plus icon. Whatever it is, just ensure you click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be directed to the Add to Wallet page. On this page, you'll see a list of things that can be done, such as adding transit pass, adding loyalty card, gift card, payment card. So our focus is on payment card. Just go ahead and click on payment card. Then, once you click on payment card, it would load. Okay, to load. And once it has loaded, you'll be asked to enter in your card number. Make sure the card owner's name and other info is exactly as it appears on card. If not, it will not be qualified. It will be disqualified. Okay, you won't be able to add the card. You just go ahead and then you enter in the card number. Now, if it's going to be depending on the card that you want to add, if it's a debit card, ensure you pick up your debit card and then you enter in the card number that is on your debit card. Okay, once you're done entering it into the slated space available, just click on your save icon and then it would save automatically. It is that simple. That is how you can add your debit card to your Google Wallet. Thanks for watching.